Good morning. I am awake now.
Breakfast is ready. I have much work today.
I am checking work.
I still feel sleepy. Look at me.
Please help me now. My hands are full. No one even realizes how many dishes get dirty. So many plates, and I have to clean them all again.
I am late now. I must go soon.
Where is my book? I cannot find it. Look at me. I am happy now.
I've told them many times not to spread so much mess, but they never listen to me and don't care about cleanliness. Here it is. Be careful next time.
Okay, Mom.
Drink your milk. Take your lunch now.
I am leaving now. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Dad.
Take care. Have a great day, sweetie.
Bye, Mom.
See you later, champ.
See you later.
Have a good day. Study well today. Everything in this house is still left to do. My aching back reminds me how much remains.
Mom, please play with me. If you don't play with me, who will?
So much work. I need help too. Clean home feels nice. Work never ends. Why do you make me so tired? Toys are scattered everywhere. I have so many other things to do as well. What happened to my child? Where are you? Are you okay, my child? You didn't get hurt, right? Oh, so much work to do. I'm so tired of washing clothes again and again. Lunch is ready soon. I feel tired now. I am home now.
I am hungry. Welcome home, sweetie.
Your snack is ready.
Thanks, Mom.
Of course, enjoy. Please eat first. Food is warm now.
Mom, bring me some milk. Mom, bring my notebook from the room.
I am back now. Long day today.
Dinner is coming. Almost ready now.
Sit here, Tom.
Okay, Dad.
Please take this. It is heavy now. Enough for today. I feel hurt now. I work all day. No one helps me.
I am sorry, Mom.
I did not see.
I need some rest. I am leaving now. No one listens to me in this house. It has become very difficult for me to live here.
Mom is gone. This is my fault. Brother, where did Mom go?
I don't know, sis, but I'm here.
I miss her. Where is she gone?
We'll find her, I promise.
What has happened to our home? Why does it feel like this? Cooking is really a difficult job. Today, I finally understood how much effort it takes. We made a mistake. We must change now.
It feels so empty without her. Mom, you do everything for us. You carry all the work alone. We will always help you, Mom.
No more wasting time. We need to focus.
Okay, let's do something better.
Come on, kids. Let's clean our home together.
Okay, Daddy, I'll clean the table. Yes, we will make it neat and nice. You're doing great, Tom.
I will help now.
I'll put the spoons in.
That's wonderful, dear.
Look, Mom's here.
I understand, Mom. Good job.
Cleaning the room is really a difficult job today. I realized how hard this cleaning work actually is. Housework is really very difficult. Daughter, you should also help your mother. Now I understand how much Mom does every day. We should always respect and help her in every work.
I love Mom. Please come back.
Mother-in-law, your daughter left after a small argument. Don't worry, we are coming to bring her back.
I miss Mom.
We say sorry.
I feel calm here. I needed rest.
Mom, where did you go? I missed you so much.
I am here now, my child. I missed you too.
We are so sorry, Mom. I made this card for you.
Oh, Tom, it's beautiful. I forgive you. You are my children. I can never understand.
My wife, our home is incomplete without you. Please come back. Please forgive me. Family is our real happiness. Together we can handle everything.
Now I am happy.
Help makes home happy.
We work together now.
Love helping. This is the best.
It sure is.
Taking care of each other in a family brings true happiness.
Love and care make a home peaceful and complete.
When everyone does their own work, no one feels burdened.
And the home stays peaceful and happy.
Welcome to our channel. Let's learn English together with simple stories and basic lessons. If you go our channel for more amazing videos.
Keep learning, keep growing.